In today's video, I'm going to show you how to protect your BuddyBoss groups using WishList Member coming up. One of the reasons why I love using WishList Member is because of the integration. So on the system that I have on my current website, Funnels to Income, there is a fantastic integration which allows me to have my permissions to my membership groups, and pretty much I can protect anything on my website. But before I show you how to do that, I'd like to remind you that if you buy WishList Member, you also get access to my courses on my website. It's fantastic bonuses. And also, if you buy BuddyBoss, I will give you access to my BuddyBoss course. All you have to do is to use my affiliate link, send me the receipt, and I will give you access to that. All the links to that is in the video description below. Now, let me show you how to set all this up. So I've gone ahead and installed WishList Member and BuddyBoss. So ahead of time, I've also created a group, and here it is. It's called VIP members. So this is a group just specifically for VIP members. I can invite people to come to this group, or I can automatically assign them as they sign up onto the website. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So first of all, you want to come over here to WishList Member. So you're going to go to Setup and click on Integrations. So here on integrations, you have your payment providers, email providers, and other services. So BuddyBoss is here on other services. You can see here, I've gone ahead and activated it. So with this activated now, it is going to show us, in fact, by default, it will be like that. So you need to just click this button here to activate the BuddyBoss platform. So once you've done that, make sure you're on the right tab, because here you can see this is membership levels. We have group actions and so on. So over here on group actions, if you take a look back here, this is my group. Okay, this is the VIP members group. So over here is where I want to protect it. So automatically it has pulled out the group here. So now I can click on this pencil icon, and I can also add to levels. So if I need to add everyone here on these groups to the VIP members or the gold level and so on, I can do that. If I need to remove them from any levels, I can also go ahead and do that. But if you don't do that, what happens is automatically the BuddyBoss platform will assign anyone that signs up for the group into this VIP members group. So this is really, really good, because I don't have to manually go in and assign my users to specific groups. This can just happen automatically as I'm setting it up. So over here on settings, you can also enable default messaging for new groups. So if I activate this, if you go into configure here, you can see here that you can add straight away automatically to levels. You can cancel from level, you can remove from level, and so on. So there are a lot of things that we can set up here using WishList Member, and I really like the integration that it has with BuddyBoss. So it makes it easier for us to go in and customize and set all our permissions. So back over here on profile types. Now, if I had profile types here, they would also show over here, which is fantastic. And over here on groups, I mean, I've already spoken about this. On membership levels, these membership levels can also pertain to BuddyBoss. So they are all here. I've already created them ahead of time, and that is why they are showing here. So if I were to click here on gold, notice what happens. I can say for gold members, I can automatically assign them to the VIP members group. So this is also really good to automate my system, because it does take a lot of time to go in and manually do these things. So let's say someone gets added to the gold membership. You can say, right, if you add them to the gold membership, automatically add them to the VIP group. And this is what I really like about this integration. It is fantastic. So once you do that, you're good. You can also have multiple groups. So you can, if I had more than one group, I could add them over here, which is brilliant. Okay, now let's say you want to further go ahead and remove them from a group because they've joined the gold membership. You can say remove from whatever group, and they only get access now to the VIP. So that'll be kind of like an upgrade on your website. So that works well too. So as you can see, BuddyBoss and WishList Member have a fantastic integration. I highly recommend that you use these two, because WishList Member is really going out there to get all these integrations working well, making sure that all our features that we need and all the other services out there can tie in and work together with other systems. So anyway, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. If you have any more questions regarding WishList and BuddyBoss, please let me know in the video description below, and I'll be sure to make a video about it. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.